Minasan konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Today we will learn the next 5 katakana letters ma, mi, mu, me, mo. First one ma. Ma. Example word mango. Mango means mango. Example sentence mango o tabemasu. Mango o tabemasu. I eat a mango. Mango o tabemasu. Next one me. Me. Example word miruku. Miruku means milk. Example sentence miruku o nomimasu. Miruku o nomimasu. I drink milk. Miruku o nomimasu. Next we have mu. Mu. Example word movie. Movie means movie. Example sentence movie wo mimasu. Movie wo mimasu. I watch a movie. Movie wo mimasu. Next one me. Me. Example word melon. Melon means melon. Example sentence melon ga suki desu. Melon ga suki desu. I like melons. Melon ga suki desu. Last one mo. Mo. Example word mota. Mota means motor. Example sentence mota ga ugokimasu. Mota ga ugokimasu meaning the motor is running. Mota ga ugokimasu. That's all for today's lesson. In the next video, we will learn the ya row of katakana, ya, you, yo. See you in the next lesson. Matane.